Is Andrew Ng machine learning in 2026 still worth taking? If you're planning to learn AI or start a career in machine learning, this updated review will help you decide if it's the right course for you. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access this specialization and thousands of other courses for less. The Machine Learning Specialization is created by Andrew Ng in collaboration with DeepLearning.AI and Stanford Online. It's an updated version of the legendary machine learning course that has helped millions of learners build AI skills over the years. This beginner-friendly specialization includes 3 courses and takes about 2 months to complete at around 10 hours per week. It has a 4.9-star rating from nearly 39,000 reviews, and more than 800,000 learners have already enrolled. Those numbers alone show how trusted and popular it remains. You'll learn the foundations of modern machine learning using Python, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. The specialization covers supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, clustering, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, and practical techniques used to build real AI applications. One of the biggest strengths of this course is its balance between theory and hands-on practice. Instead of only explaining concepts, Andrew Ng shows you how to build, train, and improve machine learning models that solve real-world problems. If you're new to AI, this is one of the best places to start. It builds a strong foundation before moving on to more advanced topics like deep learning or generative AI. If you plan to continue learning after this specialization, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Buying several specializations separately can become expensive. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, hands-on projects, and programs from top organizations. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it an excellent value for anyone serious about learning AI. Overall, Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization remains one of the best AI courses you can take in 2026. If you're ready to get started, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.